Hi, I'm Anne Nwawadu. Here's your Channels TV news update for May the 7th, 2020. Nigeria now has a total of 3,145 COVID-19 cases following the confirmation of 195 new cases by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control last night. The NCDC also confirmed that 534 patients have been discharged from various isolation centers and a total of 103 deaths have been recorded. The breakdown of the 195 new cases shows that 82 are in Lagos, 30 in Kano, 19 in Zamfara, 18 in Sokoto, 10 in Borno, 9 in the FCT, 8 in Oyo, 5 each in Kebbi and Gombe, 4 in Ogun, 3 in Katsina and 1 each in Kaduna and Adamawa states. Also, 3 persons who earlier tested positive for COVID-19 in Kano State have recovered from the disease. The State Ministry of Health announced this via its Twitter handle today, adding that 5 other patients lost the battle to COVID-19, raising the death toll in the state to 13. Meanwhile, residents of Wukari streets in the Wurokum axis of Makurdi, the Benue State capital, are in panic as 8 of the 20 Almajirai who fled from Kano to Benue State are on the run. This follows the arrest of 12 of them from a 2-room apartment where they all sleep on the floor. And in the nation's capital, Abuja, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, has expressed satisfaction with the facilities at the This Day Dome Isolation Center, Abuja. He believes that with the quality of the isolation center, the pandemic will be properly managed in the Federal Capital Territory. The 300-bed facility is the second in the FCT. On the international scene, about 200 people have been killed by floods and landslides in Kenya since heavy rains began last month across much of the country. The statement from the presidency says thousands of hectares of crops had been swept away and another 100,000 people have been displaced. The Kenyan government says the floods will complicate efforts to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, which has killed 26 people. And that's the news update. Don't forget to join us later for a recap. I'm Anne Nwawadu. Thank you for watching.